Hey guys, Cripple Fossing Australia, how you going? If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe. So, as recommended by Golden Triangle Nugget Hunter, but I'm cooking his ore and some other ore that I've acquired. And what I'm using right now is I was told, I wasn't told. I just looked up what's the hottest Australian gum, and it's red gum. So I didn't decide to use that because we have some yellow box. So it's like a yellow box tree. So it's very intense burning instead of longer, periodically, yeah, hot. It's just intense burning. And I was thinking that should release the sulfides and stuff and do what I need to do. And yeah, so let's have a look. And yeah, so I've just thrown all my ore that I thought I need to do and stuff that I've crushed already, and then I haven't already gone through exactly. So because I went through it already, but apparently I need to cook it, and it releases. I don't know. You guys in the comments can tell me. Please let people know below like what it does, because I'm not 100% sure. I just got told to cook it, so I'm cooking it, and as you can see, it's not hot. It's really not hot. I'm just sweating my ass off. So yeah, got some wood, diesel, and look at this. Yeah, so this is the sulfides. I've just found my old plate, and I've got, yeah, some yellow gum in there. So she's roaring, absolutely roaring. And no, it's not a total fire ban. It's fine. But yeah, I've got it going. There's a couple of little bits of ore in there, but you can see all this grey stuff. Yeah, that was Golden Triangle Nugget Hunters and stuff that Gadsy sent me as well. So you can see all that there. She's roasting quite fine. I'm just giving it a stir with this little cheeky fella, and yeah, it's doing the job. But yeah, nothing too special. I'm just doing this. This is brand new to me, so just giving it a raw. I've got some bricks underneath there, so it's not just sitting, and I'm not just praying it doesn't fall through there. I gave this a scrub as well, so yeah, you can see it's pretty clean. Like, that's all that was left on the bottom, so pretty much nothing. So what I'll do is anything that's fallen through the bottom, I'll put my pan underneath and catch all that, and I'll put the rest into the bucket and then pan it off. And you know, the ash is going to be nice and light, so it's not going to be too hard to get rid of. And yeah, as you can see, she's roaring. She's hot. Like, honestly, guys, like, whew, she's hot. I'm sitting pretty close and I'm sweating pretty much. But yeah, just letting you know, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. And yeah, sorry I haven't done a video for a while, but we'll see how this goes. And apparently, I should have at least 2 grams of gold. So I'm praying 2 grams of gold, but we'll see. You never know. All right, guys, have a good one. Catch you later. And thank you so much to everyone who's come new recently. And all we got to do is get another 1,000 view hours. So if everyone wants to go back through my old videos and just build up those hours, I'm just hit over 2,000. I just need 3,000, and then I can start getting actually paid by YouTube and start helping my mum and dad and start. Yeah, that'll be awesome. And yeah, if you want pay dirts, just let me know on my Facebook page. I sell them, and yeah, all the time. I've got plenty of gold to sell. But yeah, all right, guys. Yeah, I only sell them pay dirt style though. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it looks good. I'm super keen. Super keen. Oh, look at the doggos. Hey, Abby. Abby, good girl. Meg. Lola. 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 Good girl. Yeah. Cuties, hey? Come on, hey? Yeah. Oh, darling. Oh. 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 Oh, here's Gibbs. Bullford. Oh, look. Oh, Abby. Hey? Yeah. See? That's what I deal with. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to show you the results from this, this cook-off. We'll see what happens. Alright. Catch you soon. Bye.